Hi there, I'm Alex Javaris. I'm a realist artist specialising in alla prima oil painting from life. A few years ago I started simplified drawing and painting in order to teach the traditional methods artists use to draw and paint from life up until the start of the 20th century. Valuable knowledge which, after years of going to art classes without anyone ever showing me how to actually do anything, finally enabled me to make progress. I also set out with the intention of trying to explain this information as clearly as possible, because it's always been my experience that when most people talk about painting, it's very easy to misunderstand them. So far from the feedback I've been getting, it appears that enough of you out there appreciate what I'm doing, so thank you. Your support means a lot. In addition to all the positive feedback, quite a few of you have been asking me about more in-depth instruction. So, for you guys, I've decided to set up the Simplified Drawing and Painting Patreon channel, where I'm going to be offering full-length painting demonstrations filmed entirely in real time, with step-by-step commentaries going into much more detail about my process. Now, filming and editing longer real-time demos is a lot more involved than my normal YouTube videos, as it requires additional equipment and crew. So, unlike my YouTube videos, I'm unable to offer these longer demos for free. Even so, I still think you're going to find them exceptionally valuable, particularly compared to other DVDs and courses out there. So, if you found my YouTube videos useful, check out my Patreon channel to see videos packed with even more information. Thank you for your support.